stay in Home 2 Suite in Hilton Fort Wayne. So I'm gonna give a try this digital key. So it's a contactless contact check-in. Will be arrived at 4 o'clock. And check. So I wanna choose my room. Please wait. Oh, requesting digital key. Oh wow, there you go. You receive a digital key in the app as soon as your room is ready. Feel free to go straight to your room when your key arrives. See you soon.
Meanwhile.
Oh.
Wow, did you see that? Oh my god. Wow.
We got a lake in there.
Look a nice view. It's snowing.
Yeah. It's raining. See, I need a fishing pole.
Yeah.
But that may be a poop overflow or something.
Wow, a nice view. So hi guys, this is our room. Wow, it's so beautiful. Just like our room there, and yeah, it's a Hilton there. You check the bed.
Yeah, see, they can stay.
You can stay. Look at the TV. How big.
Use that.
Wow. Freezer.
Coffee cups, bowls, small plates. Anything in there? No. Garbage disposal. What is it? Freezer.
Freezer.
Down at the bottom.
And they have a dishwasher. You got everything here. Wow, coffee bean.
Or you turn it off.
No, I don't.
No, you didn't. It's off. Freezing cold.
Come on, guys.
It's freeze soft. Yeah.
Nice.
Really, really soft.
You like the hotel that I choose?
Yeah. Big. Big room. Sofa bed.
So anyway, so what else the other things to do here? So this is the room controls. It's ready to use. So this is a kickback, make yourself comfortable. So there's some options here: lightning, climate TV and easy setup. Turn on Bluetooth on your automatically paired. So showroom controls. So I just want to show you here. So now it's connecting. So here you go. So there's the light, lightning, TV, and then climate. So just click the light. So there's the on and off here. So here you go. The light is on. The light is off. So next, so you can change the TV channel here. So here's watch now. And here's the list of the channels. So they have some apps here. Oh wow, you got Netflix. They have Netflix too. Showtime, iHeartRadio, and Red Bull. And here's for your favorites. So you can click anyone here, which channel you want, and then just give a heart. So that will be added to your favorites. So you can so there you go. So if you want to change the channel, so right now I'm watching Fox News. I'm going to go for the Netflix, and it's going to Netflix. So now it's connecting to Netflix. So we have an account in Netflix, but I'm not sure and I'm not trust if I want to log in my Netflix account here. So we can go to YouTube. Here's the YouTube channel. Here you go.
The next day.
Hi guys. So we're here in Indiana for the Expedite Expo. And this is our ID here. So here's my friend Alma. Hi. Today's for Friday, 11:30, 1 p.m. to 30. So here's Panther. One, two, three, smile. This is the taller, yeah.
No, you gotta say fine with the frog hair split 3 ways.
Awesome, man, sis.
That's how fine. Oh, at 3 o'clock.
There you go. Ooh, good luck. Good luck, sis.
And the winner of the $500 cash prize is Janine Scott. Is there Janine here? Uh-oh. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, Janine, 2, Janine, no, 1. Next name, we go to the next name.
Oh, 500.
She's not. Yeah.
Aubrey. AUBR1.
Oh, and she's not here. Ronald Dale. We got a Ronald Dale. Here we go. $500 to Mr. Dale.
Two. I wish I ran.
Thank you very much, everyone. Again, we'll see everyone back at 7 o'clock for bingo night. Have a good day.
2 hours later.
But they would be bored if you didn't talk. How is it? Good? Hi guys. So we're here in the expo. Ooh, we got a... How's the food, guys? How's the food?
That's good.
Good? Yep. We're here in the inside at the Expo 2021. So you got a lot of food here.
I don't know. Have we figured this out?
Please do not leave here knowing you are wanted and you are needed. You are wanted and you are needed. Please understand, you are wanted and you are needed. And you will be treated with kindness and respect. I'm telling you, the motor carriers that we have in this room and in our program, and I know there's always people. Motor carriers are made up of people, right? And they're human too. And we're so grateful and thankful. Thank you for your time that you've come in here tonight. Our booth is 407. Hopefully you can find us on the floor. Truck sales is 409. You go right across the aisle, talk to Danny in truck sales if you want to. Panthers here. Go by their booth. What booth number? 203. Can't miss the front door. Go by and talk to them. There's some exciting new things taking place with our motor carriers. Exciting new things. We're unveiling a new finance lease with an option to purchase program with Panther Premium Logistics. You ought to go by and talk to them about it. See what's out there. If you need opportunities in tractors, they're going to start with the tractor division. Just want to make sure everybody's got a view, Jason, a view of what's taking place. So once again, thank you for your time. If there's anything we can do for you, let us know. If you got questions, and I would open it up for questions, but sometimes I'd rather do those one-on-one, and when I say one-on-one, we go do them in private, because we get all kinds of questions, it can take all kinds of tangents, and out of respect to other motor carriers that we service, and out of respect for people in the room, and people that joined us tonight just to dine with us, that might be at another motor carrier, I don't want any odd comments made, because this isn't talking about anything. It's not putting anybody down or anything else. It's letting you know, to give you a view of the things and the opportunities that our company brought to the table. But we brought them to the table for you, by you. We the people, for the people. Let's don't forget that. We're land of the free and home of the brave. That's what we are now. And our community is proud. Proud of you. We're proud of you. So thank you. Anything else, Jason? Anything you want to say in closing? Come by and see us. Thank you for coming tonight. Anything? We'll stay here for a while and talk. Anybody wants to talk? Anything. But now, before you leave now, Kelly, we got some door prizes and some things that she wants to give away. I know it's everybody waiting on.
Somebody's going to win.
I'm gonna win.
We want to get this party started, and then this is cash now.
Yeah.
Let's do some cash. Everybody likes cash. Table. If all you notice, you have a number on your table.
Oh.
All right. So everybody at the table. about the 26.
26.
Table number 25.
Oh my god! Yeah, we're almost.
Bang, bang, bang.
Wow!
Somebody tripping on the way back.
We're almost.
All right, ticket number 9833278. Draw the, this is the official women in trucking declare doll. So somebody's white, 33177. 9833154. All right.
Ah!
Tonight, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed yourselves. We thank you for coming.
Sure they did. They're just manufacturing that.
Yay!
All right, everybody, we thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
A few moments later.
Load one! Congratulations, Barrett! Yee!